Are you planning to study abroad from Bangladesh? Especially in Australia, International Admission Service is here to assist you. Hi, I'm Paul from International Admission Service. Just to let you know that Australia is one of the best study destinations because it has numerous high-class respected and recognised educational institutions. Significant research has shown that most potential candidates have liked to study in Australia from Bangladesh for the past 2 decades, and the number is increasing day by day. The International Admission Service constantly develops the proper guidelines for deserving students who like to study in Australia with scholarships. Schedule free counselling sessions with our expert study abroad counsellor in Bangladesh. Hurry up! Best of luck!